Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Life of a Network Engineer. We have already seen some of the financial planning videos in our channel. In this video, we'll be looking into how to find a company based on its fundamentals. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Let's skip to the video. I am showing you a basic way of how to find a company's fundamentals. You have to just go to moneycontrol.com. This is one example. You can find the company. I'm just giving an Exide Industries as an example. Okay, so once you click here, you'll have to scroll down and there will be something which is called as financials. Under financials, this is an overview which starts from 2017 till 21. So they have already given a 5 years overview, but I'll give you an insight of how to look into fundamentals. There are multiple options to that. The first one is income statement. In here you'll have to select annual. It's always better to see for the past 5 years to see how the company is performing. So here you'll have to see if the sales is increasing year on year and also the other incomes are increasing year on year. So in general the total income has to be increasing continuously for the past 5 years, or if there's a small glitch, that is fine, but it should be on average increasing for the past 5 years, and the expenditure should be maintained or decreasing. So here we see that the expenditure is increasing quite a bit. So in general we'll have to see if the expenditure is reducing or at least maintained to an extent. And finally the net profit. In net profit again we'll have to see if the company is increasing its profit year on year. This is what you'll have to see under income statement. So the next option is balance sheet. This is very important for a company's fundamental, or in other words this is a basic thing what you need to look into a fundamental in a company. Under balance sheet you will have to look into reserves and surplus and liabilities. What is reserves and surplus? Reserves and surplus is some amount of money what the company has which is for safety reasons. So you can see here that is increasing year on year, which is a good thing. So in general you will have to see if the reserves and surplus is increasing year on year. And the liabilities is nothing but your loans. The company loan should be decreasing on an average year on year. Okay, that is how you will have to identify a company. So in here if you see the total liabilities is increasing rapidly, so that is one alarming statement. And what are the assets? So there are different types of assets: fixed assets and current assets. So in general you can just concentrate on the total assets. The total asset of a company should continue increasing. So you can see here that is also increasing rapidly. This is a good sign of a company. So in general if you can find a balance between all these income statement and balance sheet, then it's always better to select a company. And the main thing what I prefer is a company without a debt or with minimal debt. It's always a best company, because if in case of crisis it doesn't get crashed or something. So you can just find companies which are reasonably valued, which is not overvalued. At the same time its income is increasing year on year and its sales is also increasing rapidly. Other thing what you need to see is the cash flow. You'll have to see if the company is able to generate cash flow, and it should be increasing year on year, as I said. So from here to here you can see that the company is continuously increasing its operational activities and the cash flow is fluctuating a lot. So you can see in the graph also it is going up and down. So you'll have to look in detail if what is the exact situation, or in general cash flow should be continuously increasing for a company. And the other important thing is the earnings per share. So the earnings per share should continue increasing, and the book value of the share also, or the company, should also continue increasing. So it is a good sign in this company when you see here the book value is increasing from 59 to 86 and the earnings per share is maintained to a bit. And also the company should give a good dividend, because the dividend is given by a company only when it is earning a good profit, right? So if it's continuously giving a good dividend, that company is performing well. But some companies are exceptions. Instead of giving the dividend, they invest their money to develop their business. The final thing what you need to see is the peers. This is a Exide batteries, so it's a battery business. You can see that how other competitors are playing, so that you can understand that okay, battery business is going good. This is how you will have to look into a balance sheet to identify what company to go for and which company to avoid. Thanks for watching guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Stay invested.